Welcome to this video where we'll explore the fascinating world inside the iPhone factory. The iPhone is undeniably one of the most renowned smartphones globally, with Apple having sold over 1 billion units worth hundreds of billions of dollars since its inception. It has revolutionized mobile phone trends and impacted the lives of countless individuals. Apple's ability to innovate fantastic technology plays a significant role in its fame. People from all corners of the globe are willing to pay a premium for the quality, design, and features of an Apple iPhone. However, many users may be unaware of how iPhones are actually manufactured. The truth is that the production process involves multiple countries and companies coming together to create these remarkable devices. When you purchase an iPhone or any other Apple product, you may have noticed the note on the packaging stating that the product is designed in California. However, that doesn't mean it is manufactured there. So, where exactly are iPhones manufactured, and what goes on inside the Apple iPhone factory? Understanding Apple's manufacturing process revolves around two crucial concepts that, although similar, are distinct: assembling and manufacturing. Manufacturing involves the creation of the individual components that make up an iPhone. While Apple designs and sells the iPhone, it doesn't handle the manufacturing of these components. Assembling, on the other hand, refers to the process of taking these components, which are produced by specialized manufacturers, and combining them to create a fully functional iPhone. The majority of the iPhone's manufacturing process involves sourcing components from various manufacturers and assembling them in high-quality factories. Apple scours the globe to obtain the best component manufacturers to offer top-notch technology at the most competitive prices. When seeking these partnerships, they prioritize companies capable of producing components on a massive scale. Over 200 companies worldwide manufacture and supply Apple's component manufacturers with the necessary parts to build iPhones. These component manufacturers produce memory chips, glass screen interfaces, casings, cameras, and various other components. The locations of these manufacturers are diverse, spanning countries such as South Korea, China, Taiwan, Germany, Japan, India, and even the United States. These component suppliers then ship their manufactured components to large-scale Apple manufacturing factories across the world, where further manufacturing and assembling take place. The assembling of iPhones predominantly occurs in East and Southeast Asia, where labor is abundant and cost-effective. As a result, the components are sent to Apple iPhone factory locations in countries like China, the Czech Republic, Malaysia, Thailand, South Korea, Singapore, and the Philippines. While iPhone manufacturing facilities are spread across numerous countries, they are all managed by two manufacturing companies, Foxconn and Pegatron. These Taiwanese firms oversee iPhone production and ensure the phones are completed with Apple's demanded quality standards and delivered on time. Of all these manufacturing facilities, the colossal Foxconn plant in Zhengzhou, China, stands out. Often referred to as iPhone City, this factory spans an astounding 2.2 million square miles. One of its key advantages is the impressive assembly line it houses. With approximately 350,000 employees, the Foxconn factory has been Apple's long-standing partner in iPhone production. Presently, the majority of Apple iPhones are assembled at their Shenzhen, China. Now, let's shift our focus to the highly anticipated iPhone 15. This upcoming model is set to bring a wealth of new features, potentially including the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 mini. While we await the official release date and leaks, what we do know is that the iPhone 15 is right around the corner. Stay tuned for updates, as we'll also provide an iPhone 15 review, highlighting its improved camera capabilities and other noteworthy aspects.